Hi, welcome to the Excel Ribbon series. In this video today, we are going to cover the font section of the Home tab. The font section allows us to manipulate the appearance of individual cells. Let's start by typing something in cell B3. I will use the word fonts. Make sure that you have cell B3 selected before continuing. When clicking here, you will get a drop-down for all of the available fonts provided by Excel. We will select the Britannic font. Further, if we select this drop-down, we can choose the size that we want the text to appear. I will select 20. Additionally, we can use the buttons next to the size drop-down to quickly make text smaller or larger. Down here we have the option to make our text bold, italicized, or underlined. This drop-down allows us to change the appearance of the cell borders. Play around with the different options until you find the desired style. The Paint Bucket drop-down allows us to change the background color of the cell. Lastly, we can change the color of the text. Select the desired cell and click on the underlined A button. We now get a palette of color to choose from. This concludes this Excel tutorial. As always, thanks for stopping by.